Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Xbox account email. This process ensures your gaming profile remains secure and accessible through your preferred email address. It involves a few straightforward steps on your Microsoft account page. You will need access to your current email to confirm security changes. Let's begin by understanding the foundational requirements. Before beginning, make sure you can sign into your existing Microsoft account associated with your Xbox. Having access to your current email address is crucial for security verifications during the process. You should also create the new email account if you do not already have one. This preparation step helps prevent any delays or complications later on. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth transition for your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in account.microsoft.com. Sign in using your existing Xbox account email and password. After successfully logging in, look for your info section, usually found at the top of the page. This is where you manage your personal details and security settings. Click on this to access the options needed to change your email. On the Manage How You Sign Into Microsoft page, you will see your current primary email listed. Below that, click on the link that says Add Email. Enter the new email address you wish to associate with your Xbox account. Microsoft will then send a verification message to that new email. Open the message and follow the link to confirm ownership. Once confirmed, your new email will appear as an alias.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.